In today's video, I'm going to take you on my desk tour just to show you how I set everything up and how I use the haul of office decor and organizational products from Magnolia in my latest Target haul. So let's just get right into it. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and home organizational videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'm taking you on my desk tour and where I office. If you're anything like me, you love videos like this because they're motivational, inspirational. You get all sorts of ideas of how you can do your own space. I have been watching desk tours on YouTube for many years now, and they are so fun. So I'm excited to present this video to you. So currently my office space is a mess, and my main goal is just to clean up everything and organize it exactly how I want. So the first goal is to get rid of the clutter, and then to get rid of all of the pieces that bug me and take up too much space. And then I wanted to get the desk moved so I can have all the cords on the back wall instead of out in the open as soon as you walk into the space. And then I wanted to add another desk to create the U shape. So as you can see, it took me a little while to figure out exactly how I want it and what would be the most functional for me. I moved it more than a few times actually, but then I figured it out and I actually like it, and it's definitely not typical because typically the inside of the desk would be on the back wall. And so I like that it's different. So once I figured that out, my next thing was to get all of the organizational pieces that I would need to organize the space. And so what better place to hit up than Target? So when I was at Target, if you saw my last two Target videos this week, including the haul and shop with me, then you've already seen these products and the haul. I hit up Threshold, Studio McGee, Magnolia, and also Project 62, and I found everything that I wanted in the Magnolia Hearth and Hand line for their office decor and organizational products. And then also Project 62 in the office aisle had a lot of things that I liked as well. So this is the current configuration. Don't mind the cords beneath, there's a lot going on. L-shaped desk here. I actually got this from Ashley Furniture. Paired that with a side table that I've had for years. This one is actually from IKEA. The chair, Amazon actually. Currently I have the bookshelves on either side. Keep all my books there. Putting wall art that hasn't come in yet. One of the wall pieces, this is it. This is just acrylic weekly calendar with like a note section that you can write on. Comes with the markers and everything. I got that from Amazon. So that's one of the pieces that I'm putting there. There's also a neon sign here as well. It's kind of cluttered, but it works. Like it has everything that I need. I know where it is. This is where I do like a lot of my editing and any personal business that I need to take care of. This section is actually where I work. And then this section over here is just where I used a lot of the pieces from Target. As you can see, I placed the lamp here. At night, it's really helpful to have that there because it lights up this whole section. I can get work done. Put the boxes back here to store different things in there. It looks nice rather than just having papers out. Printing paper stored in this one on the bottom. This acrylic piece, obviously very functional. Has all my pencils and highlighters. This tray right here actually won't have these in here. So I'm actually going to be mounting some stuff on the wall behind my computer. That's currently where I'm keeping some of the items that I need to use for that right now. There's different things that I normally will use. Balms and lotion. My go-to beauty products. This is where I use the bookends, obviously, like my candle burning stuff, incense stuff. If you use these bookends from Magnolia, you want to keep them weighted. Right currently on this side, I have the markers for the acrylic board stored in there. Still a cluttered space. Like if you're a minimal type person, this probably wouldn't work for you. But obviously everything here I use. Right now I have one of my monitors mounted on top of my printer. I have the tray I store camera pieces here, pictures in this one. Everything you see here, either from Target and or Amazon. It's a very functional space for me. I like that it's U-shaped. I definitely need the space and it helps me to stay focused and organized. Like I can turn to any part of this desk and use it in a different way, which I really like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you can give this video a big thumbs up if you found it motivational. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this, and you can also hit the bell notification. You'll be notified on Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays when I upload. On Mondays, we do Shop With Me's at all my favorite home decor stores. Tomorrow, we're doing At Home for spring 2023. On Fridays, I take you to Target to see what's new in home decor, and we also hit up the dollar spot. And on Sundays, I bring you lifestyle and homemaking content, especially here from the new house. So I hope to see you in another video, maybe somewhere on your screen, but until then, be your own kind of beautiful.